The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a tornado warning for Boyd County until 10:30 p.m. At 10 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located 8 miles west of Boyd County, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Locations in the path of this storm include Ashland. If you are near the path of this storm, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Mobile homes and vehicles should be abandoned for more substantial shelter. Avoid windows. Nighttime tornadoes are especially dangerous. If you wait until you see or hear it coming, it may be too late to get to a safe place. Please report tornadoes, funnel clouds, strong winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Tuesday morning for eastern Kentucky, and southern Ohio, and western Virginia, and western West Virginia.